Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're exploring how to generate traffic to your website using Quora. Let's dive in. Quora is a powerful platform for driving traffic. Here's how to make the most of it. Create a compelling profile. Ensure your profile highlights your expertise and includes a link to your website. Find relevant questions. Search for questions in your niche where you can provide valuable answers. Write detailed answers. Provide thorough, insightful answers and include a link to your website for more information. Engage consistently. Regularly answer questions and engage with the community to build your presence. Check out the full article on our website for more tips. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.